Hi guys, my name is MD Dulal. Now I am showing video how to fix Samsung A10s A10 charging error, no power with charger. This new problem someone before repair, after repair, like this problem on when you charging, only charging icon on screen, no charging percentage, only icon. Charging icon and blinking. Now we'll try step by step how we can repair this phone with power and charging error. I will try to power on, but no power, only charging logo on screen, charging error. Always I do hardware some phone, someone tried to fix it before in another shop, but small cases they cannot fix it. Look, the owner, he gave him the phone for changing LCD, then look like that, no charging, only charging indicator. First of all, we try to check any device, any Android phone, any smartphone. If charging error, first of all you must be checked by meter, battery connector, BCC, BSI line. If BSI line is damaged or no voltage, you look like that problem, not charging, no power, or the charging error. Now we check it by meter. Special BCC positive is showing normal. This is BSI line, BSI both side normal. Here also have a voltage value. The other shop, he tried before change it battery, charging connector, also the same problem. Now I find there near the battery connector one resistance are broken, don't have right position the resistance. I think for missing these components are going this problem showing charging error. Remember this step, if BCC main line, BCC battery connector, BSI line, if any line is broken or damaged components, don't try to make jumper. Replace. If cap resistance is damaged, try to replace. Someone tries, if resistance are damaged or broken, they will like to make jumper. But here if you make jumper, not working for you this, because have a below of resistance. Now I will try to set one resistance from remove from another board, any board, Samsung like a damaged board if you have, then remove one resistance and put it there. I'll try one by one. Look, this device, this phone S3, I checked it before. This board near the, here I have one resistance, I remove and I set, I put it there. You can also hot gun, but it's better to soldering iron. After set, replace the resistance. We will try again. Now we'll try again. After replace the resistance, I'll try again if phone is working or no. Sure working, because I replace it. If it was here before, doesn't have one components. Wait few minutes, maybe battery is working now.